welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So this video is a part of a collaboration called Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. So Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now today there is no guest, it is freestyle, and I cannot wait to see you there. All right, so I decided to decorate my table in almost like Moody tones, guys. I am loving it. So we have, let's go over here. Let's get started over here. So I'm absolutely loving this greenery balm. That was a thrifted item. And if we come over here, we have the candle holders are, all three of them are from the Dollar Tree. Then we have two black tapered candles and this taupe one. And then we have the candle holder in the gold tone that came from the Dollar Tree. Now this was a thrifted item. I just recently, in a collaboration, just spruced it up by adding some pine cones and some pumpkins. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous, guys? I'm loving the hue. Okay. Now we're gonna look at the tablescape, which I love. I matched this up very well. I'm loving it anyway. And so this napkin tie that came from the Dollar Tree. It's actually a hair tie, believe it or not. I love it. I just love the flowiness about it, and I love the orange and the black colors. So the napkin, I purchased that. I believe I purchased that at Walmart. Okay, the black napkins. Now this was a thrifted item. Is this not gorgeous, guys? So it says Better Homes. I believe that's a Walmart item. Beautiful dish. And it's heavy too. I love this. So let's go ahead and take this apart. So then I have this black dish here. I'm sorry, trying to get a grip here. So I am loving that as well. And this was from Kirkland's. I purchased this at Kirkland's. Aren't you loving that? I love that. So, all right. So now we have these chargers, and the chargers were thrifted. Aren't they beautiful, guys? And then this was also a thrifted item. I am in love with these placemats, guys. I love them. And then we have the utensils, which I purchased a while back in Aldi in the gold tone. They have 3 tones. So let's put this back together. So here's the placemat, and then here's the chargers, okay? And then we have the dinner plate, which is from Kirkland's. And then I thrifted these pumpkin plates, which are gorgeous. So with the colors, and then the napkin, I decided to overlay right over this plate. Okay. And I think that looks absolutely gorgeous, guys, don't you? And so this gives me that Moody vibe feel. I decided to go ahead and lay the utensils in a V shape here. And so both of them are decorated the same exact way. Now we have the wine glass, and that came from Dollar Tree. And then we have the water glasses, and this came from the thrift store. Okay, and this is my tablescape. I tried to do it as simple as I could, but you know, sometimes less is more, because to me, it is gorgeous. I am loving it. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you go over to the reveal. Let's take a closer look at everything. And I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.